Hello traders, my name is Enoch the Trader. I have come back on this platform once more to fulfill what I promised last time. I said I'm going to show you how to trade JPY. So here we are, and it's going to be a short video. We're not going to take a lot of your time. As you can see here, we have got a pair here on Trading View. This pair is okay, as you can see here, this pair is called JPY Currency Index. So JPY Currency Index. What is JPY Current Index? JPY Current Index is actually an index that shows us the average of what's happening to the JPY pairs. So in this case, this is what we see here. The market has been dropping, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then here we have been met with a ranging market, double bottom stroke range. Now what happens when you have got a double bottom stroke range? We expect a pullback to come back here. Now I am recording this video on the 5th of August. I believe by the time, and I'm going to schedule this, I'm not going to publish it today. Maybe it's going to be published 5 days, 6 days from now. By the time this video is published, you will discover that this has already played out. The pullback has already come here. The pullback will have already come here, and then it will be going up. Or by the time of publishing it, maybe it will be at the time of the pullback. Okay, so for you to trade JPY pairs, you have got to have an understanding of JPY index. So the JPY index here has told us the market has been moving in a downtrend. Now we have a range here. Range means pause. Okay, the range means pause. And because of the pause here, apart from the pause that we had here, we have had a momentum to the upside, meaning the market wants to go up. So it has this one has given us direction of the market wanting to go up. We are now reversing. We have been in a downtrend, now we are reversing. So what we're expecting, so what do we expect now? Back to continue in this direction, So this is the first thing that we identify on JPY index. So before we go anywhere, before we touch any JPY pair, we need to establish this information. As you can see, I've already put my Fibonacci here. My Fibonacci is already here. Okay, Fibonacci is already here. I'm expecting the pullback to come in this region of 61.8, somewhere here, even down below here, and then a bullish candle comes up, and then we continue. That is what I expect to happen. Now that I've established this, I now go to the JPY pair I want to trade. As you can see, what is happening here, we also had, remember that one was a bullish candle going up. Okay, we had a bullish candle going up, and then it gave us direction, broke the range. In this case, we have a bearish candle coming down, entering within this range, making this, forming now a formation called head and shoulder. So this is the shoulder. We're expecting this one to complete the shoulder at either at 50 or 61.80 Fibonacci. So because of that information that we have gathered from there, we expect this one to pull back, and when it holds here, it will start coming down. So this is the information that I have gathered. From there, I am using it now. If I want to trade this, I'll wait for the pullback to complete here and to continue, because this will be in the long run now. So JPY to strengthen, but in meanwhile, it's in a pullback. So let's check the other currency pair. Here it is again. We have, this is Aussie. This one, the one we're dealing with, this one is USD JPY. Now we want to go to Aus JPY. Can you see Aus JPY? It has a double bottom here in a daily time frame. Now double bottom in a daily time frame is a serious, means a reversal. In a daily time frame, if you have a double top in daily time frame or weekly time frame, it is a reversal of the market. So what am I expecting now? I'm expecting a pullback here. After a pullback here, and then we continue in this direction. Let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, what do we have here? We have just a head here. We have formed a head here, and we broke with this massive move to the downside. What am I expecting? I'm expecting a pullback here to complete the shoulder. Okay, and then we continue. New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY, it was a range here. The range in daily time frame, the range has just been broken, violated. And what are we expecting? A pullback in this area, at the neck area here, to continue in the downtrend, to agree with JPY index. What about GBP JPY? Yes, we also had the range here, and the range has just broken. We are expecting a pullback. After a pullback, we continue in the trend, the downside. What about Swiss franc JPY? Swiss franc JPY is saying we have a range here, and then we broke out of the range, and we are waiting for a pullback here to continue. What about CAD JPY? CAD JPY said we had double top stroke range here, and we broke this by this candle, and then we're expecting a pullback to come in this area. This is how we trade JPY pairs. Never trade JPY pairs without first watching JPY index, currency index. The currency index will tell you what all the JPYs are going to do. So in this case now we are saying JPY is going to strengthen, is about to strengthen. That is what we expect in this market. So if you are trading JPY, wait for the pullback here, daily pullbacks here, and then begin to go short on the Aussie JPY. Wait for a pullback to come here and begin to expect shorts, selling, sales. Euro JPY, expect a pullback here. After a pullback holds, begin to sell the market. Here also, pullback over, begin to shoot the market. Go short, go short. Here again is the same. This is how we are trading. This is how we expect, except also with US JPY. Also when the pullback ends here, holds, we expect sales. This is how we trade the JPY pairs. This is how we trade the JPY pairs. I hope you are blessed. I hope you are blessed with this information that I have given to you. This information is powerful. This JPY formation here has given us a lot of information. Maybe let me just add a little. JPY has been ranging for a long time here. Just give it some extra information. And then we have got a double bottom of daily time frame. Double bottom, and then it went up. It has come back to this double bottom, and it has formed now a range and broke out here to show you the market is now ranging, is now ready to reverse because of the double bottom here, and with the double bottom stroke range breaking out, telling you JPY is ready to strengthen, and it is strengthening. So what is going to happen is after this pullback here, it holds, it will now violate this top, because this is now is going to be the low, this is going to be the high. So when it comes to the low here, it holds with a 4-hour candle, and then we start now looking, we start strengthening. It will break the high, making it now a higher high, higher low, and it will continue until it violates this. So that here, what is going to happen now on this one, what's going to happen on this one after it holds here, this will be the high, this will be the high, this will be the low. So when it holds here, it's going to break here to come to the downside, and then pull back again to come and break. so that JPY become extremely very strong. So this is how, my brothers and sisters, how we trade JPY index. This is how we trade JPY index. I believe you have been blessed watching this short video. I promised a short video. I said I promised you how to trade JPY pairs, and this is how to trade JPY pairs. Please always go back to Japanese JPY currency index first, and then go to the pair, that JPY pair you want to trade, because this one will give you what will happen to the JPY pairs. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and do the needful. It takes time to share this information that I've given you. Do a lot of research, verifying your strategy very well, so that you're not a laughing stock to those that are watching. But I've shown you everything that is going to happen to JPY pairs. They are all going to be short, because JPY index is buy. So the other pairs are in the reverse, so they are going to be short. That's exactly what we expect to do when we are trading JPY pairs. But meanwhile, wait for the pullback to complete. After the pullback completes, then you begin to place your trades. Then start putting, you see, I like it in daily. In daily, it gives us what the monthly is doing. So the monthly wants to move up. Just coming here, a monthly will continue to move up. That's why I like watching things in daily pullbacks. And then you can now go to your 4 hours, you can go to your hourly, you can go to your 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and begin to move in the direction of the monthly, because of the top-down analysis, which is a very powerful strategy. And I only use top-down analysis on all the pairs that I trade. I trade Euro, I trade JPY pairs, I trade USD pairs, I trade gold, I trade Bitcoin, I trade all the indices, whether S&P 500, US 100, which is NASDAQ, or US 30. I trade all those using the same strategy, and it gives me the same results. Thank you very much for watching this video. May God bless you. See you in the next video, where I'll show you how to trade indices. How do we trade indices? I'll be using the top-down analysis with confirmation. Remember, the confirmation for JPY pairs is JPY currency. The confirmation currency for JPY pairs is JPY currency index. This is a confirmation. This is what we use for confluences of what is going to happen to the JPY pairs. Remember, I told you, don't trade without confluences. Trade with confirmations. Okay, so my confirmation for JPY pairs is JPY currency index. This one I will not go wrong, and it's going to happen. Remember, I'm going to schedule this. By the time that I'll publish it, it will not look like it will, when you go to your charts published. I'm going to publish this video. It's not going to be published today. It's going to be published maybe next 5 days or so. This will have already played out. It have already maybe hold, or we might, maybe by the time we are publishing, we are already holding here, or it has already bounced here and we are coming down. Here also, we expect that by the time publishing this video, it will have already bounced here and now going down. On Euro JPY, it will also already have held here and going down. New Zealand JPY, it will have already held here possibly and coming down possibly. And then this one will also have already bounced off on this resistance and come down. New Zealand JPY, it will have already come back here, pull back, and a little coming down. CAD JPY will have already bounced here on the pullback, end of the pullback, and start trending. That's what I expect by the time, because I am going to publish it may possibly in the next 4, 5, 6 days. I think on the 14th I am publishing it. It's on the 10th, sorry, 10th of August. That's when I'm publishing this video. So the video will look like this, but on your chart you find that it has already played out. So bear that in mind. By the time I'm publishing this, the charts have already moved. Okay, I'm doing it in advance before it happens, so that you see my confidence in the market. Thank you very much. May God bless you. See you in the next video, where I'll teach you how to trade indices S&P 500, US 30, and NASDAQ US 100. Thank you.